Aw, man. This shed really sucks to live in.
Yes, Sonny, but at least we have each other. And we're still not vampires.
Grandmama, your skin is so pale. Are you ill? I can get some dirt to help.
I'm great, nephew. Are you just now starving to death? Just go work for those rich vampires.
Oh, I know. Here, a nice steaming Hot Pocket. It's pepperoni flavored.
Thank you, nephew. But you need to eat. And we can't just live off of Hot Pockets. Even if they are pepperoni flavored. We need the money. Or bread.
The toilet is clogged.
Okay. That's my problem because...
Because I'm upset?
That's my problem. Why, dear? If the toilet is clogged, go get that plumber boy from the shed. Put him to use.
Of course I have to go get the plumber. Why does he have to go get the plumber? Plumber, oh plumber, open up.
Yes?
Well, there you are. Can you help us with a little issue in the fourth-story bathroom? Someone clogged the...
Don't worry, ma'am. I'm on the case.
Oh, really? I bet you want some money for you and your, mother?
Great aunt, and, yes.
How much?
$6.
An hour?
Just a day.
Great. Just head inside and get working.
Yes, ma'am.
A few moments later.
Come on, get out of there. Yes, I'm having a little trouble with the sink. Why was that there?
To possess such an old human, I don't think is wise, son.
Gran, that little old lady isn't just any human. She's one of the known. She's on record and under our care. If I possess her, I could find and befriend the ever-elusive unlisted humans. Do you know what we could do with that knowledge?
All humans live in sheds, dear. It's just nature.
So for total takeover, all I'd have to do is make the humans follow.
Plumber, have you fixed the toilet yet?
The toilet? I thought you were talking about the sink.
The toilet's still clogged.
Which toilet?
My special private toilet? Go fix it or I'll eat you like a midnight snack.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, thank goodness. Are they really going to possess her? What? What the? But why are they here and all around?
Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, hiya, Grandma.
Oh, why hello there, Sonny.
Got your blood meal of the day?
That is not important. Now, leave me alone.
I'll leave you alone if I can drive the car.
Fine, fine.
Heck yeah!
The world could end if I let Daddy Vamp eat my great aunt. Oh, I know. I'll just have to eat her first.
Oh, hey there, Sonny. I found a stale piece of bread.
Hey, don't worry about the bread.
It's full of fiber.
That's nice, but I have to eat you.
What?
I have to consume you so that way Daddy Vampire doesn't take you to take over the world.
I gotta say, that wasn't on my to-do list.
I know, but it's got to happen.
Nope!
What happened? No, I thought I fixed everything.